Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Knox County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:15 a.m. At 4:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gloucester City, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Philadelphia International Airport reported a wind gust of 54 miles per hour as the storm moved through. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Mary Hill, Ben Salem, Evesham, Mount Royal, Greensboro, Deptford, Brighton, West Deptford, Glassboro, Ridgefield, Lumberton, Florence, Belmore, Woodbridge, and Burlington. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between 63 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 354 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 14 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 341 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 54. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 42 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.